I'm Ian, and I'm here at Shanghai Bauma with some machines that are making waves, the XCMG port machinery. And I'm joined by George Law. George, what can you tell me about these machines?
Hello everyone, I'm George, and today I'll show you the XCS4531E electric reach stacker, XCH9078 electric empty container machine, and the XCF1612E electric forklift.
So, what can you tell me about the machine behind us?
The XCS4531E is equipped with an industry-leading battery system. It offers over 10 hours operating battery life and can charge to full in just over 18 minutes.
So, 10 hours of battery life, that's longer than a full shift of work, and 80 minutes of charging, that is just like a lunch break. Excellent.
Yeah.
So, what can you tell us about the reach of this reach stacker?
It can lift 45 tons up to 5 containers for the near row, and 5 for the second row, and 4 for the third row.
That is excellent. So this is a electric machine, right? Because we see the green. That's how XCMG is showing off its electric machines. So what about the energy consumption compared to a diesel machine?
This reach stacker can save a port over $55,000 a year based on Chinese diesel prices.
That is excellent. And from here, it looks pretty comfortable. Can we take a look inside, George?
Sure, it features a 10-inch LCD display and powerful air conditioning based for the tropical ports.
So let's go take a look inside, guys. I have heard very good things about this machine from our customers in California. So the customers in California say this is one of the most comfortable machines that they have.
Oh really? That's great. The machine has to be comfortable for long days moving containers.
And now I finally get to feel what my customers have been telling me in California. They're very concerned about energy efficiency and reducing emissions.
Do you know, Ian, I helped design the XCS4531E cab. The panoramic cab ensures a wide field of view for drivers. Let me highlight this seat. It's an ergonomical design, so it's comfortable no matter your height or weight. So, if you'd like to try it, feel free to contact us.
I think it's really comfortable, but I think we're ready to look at our next machine. Isn't that right, George? What's next?
Next is XCH907E.
Let's go. Careful on the way down.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty, so we're gonna go right over here to the next machine on our list. We've got another beautiful green machine here. George, what machine do we have here?
This machine is like a cousin of the reach stacker, which is for moving empty containers around the port.
So, this empty container machine has a giant mast, you can see there. What's the lifting capacity of this empty container machine?
It can lift 9 tons up to 7 containers high.
That's excellent. And so this is green, that means it's an electric machine, right? So what can you tell me about the battery of this machine?
We have 2 versions of this product. The 350 kilowatt-hour version has up to 11 hours of operation and can recharge in an hour and 5 minutes. The 420 kilowatt-hour version has almost 13 hours of maximum operation and can recharge in 75 minutes.
That is great. So this machine is electric, just like the last one. Can it also save our customers money?
Yes, actually, you could save $80,000 a year using our electric machine over a diesel machine. This is based on Chinese fuel prices. So for other countries, your saving would be higher.
Wow, $80,000. saving compared to a conventional diesel machine? A year. You'd be crazy not to buy it. So, is it as time efficient as it is cost efficient?
Yeah, we have seen our machines moving over 14 containers an hour. Our smart technologies make sure the power goes exactly where it is required.
Excellent. So, are there any safety concerns for an electric machine compared to a diesel machine?
Well, not so much for our electric machines because of battery's dual layers protection system. Safety in person is very important.
Dual layered for extra safety. Now, I would love to take another look at the cab if we can.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So, integrated design for driving and operation with a simple and dynamic look. Panoramical and low dashboard design for a wide view. Economical interior space, spacious and comfortable. Equipped with a powerful air conditioning and a large display screen for easy use. Yeah.
So, I haven't gotten this machine in the United States yet, but after sitting in it, I think our customers in California would love it. I can't wait. We have gotten really good feedback on XCMG's port machines, but we have one more product to look at. Let's go check it out.
Okay, let's go.
So here we have our last machine of the day. What do we have here, George?
This is XCF1612E. It's a 16-ton lithium iron forklift.
That's excellent. Do you have to sacrifice any functionality to get this quality lithium ion forklift?
Maybe with other machines, but with this forklift, you get 25% gradability of 4,750 millimeters turn radius, a travel speed of 28 kilometers an hour, and a lifting speed of 460 millimeters a second.
So what can you tell me about the battery in this machine?
We offer a 178 kilowatt hour battery and the 250 amp fast charging system reduces charging time by 15%.
15%. That is excellent. So, is there anything else you'd like to tell us about this machine, George?
Wheel safety is important for forklifts, and we have 12 active safety technologies working together to provide users with the safest experience possible.
It sounds really safe and really comfortable, just like our other machines. I really appreciate your time here, George. Thank you so much. I hope everybody has a great Bauma.
Thanks, Ian. I hope everyone has a great in Bauma too.
Yeah. Let's go.